So hello friends, welcome back to our own channel exam. But so now we do the assignment of introduction to cognitive psychology week 4. The first question is which of the following is not a component of bodily working memory model? Option A the phonological loop, option B the icon, option C the central executive, or option D the visual-operated sketchpad. And the answer is option B. Question number 2. Steinberg's classic work on searching for information from short-term memory indicates that the search process is option A serial, option B self-terminating, option C parallel, or option D both serial and exit. And the answer is option D. Question number 3. In the absence of rehearsals, short-term memory tends to option A last about 20 seconds, option B last about 8 seconds, option C decay slowly over 24 hours, option D decay slowly over a week. And the answer is option A. Question number 4. The effect relate to which type of memory? Option A iconic, option B echoic, option C short term, option D working. And the answer is option B. Question number 5. Unattended information is sorted briefly in option A sensory, option B short term memory, option C long term memory, option D working memory. And the answer is option A. Question number 6. Retrieval involves option A inactive of the sense, option B the translation of information into a term that can be stored, option C the storage of information over time, option D the calling of mind of previously stored information. And the answer is option D. Question number 7. The primacy and recency effect in memory. Option A are thought to be due to action of short-term memory, option B are thought to be due to the action in long-term memory, option C are thought to be due to the action of sensory memory, option D can be independently manipulated, indicate at least two type of memory at work. And the answer is option D. Question number 8. Information in short-term memory is assumed to be coded primarily by option A sound, option B meaning, option C visual appearance, option D both sound and meaning. And the answer is option A. Question number 9. Repeating a phone number of yourself to hold the memory while you dial it would use which component of memory? Option A the visuality sketcher, option B the phonological loop, option B the episodic buffer, or option D both of visuality sketchpad and the phonological loop. And the answer is option B. Question number 10. Disputing the process of long-term potential leads to option A dispersion of learning and remembering, option B recovery from anterograde amnesia, option C recovering from the retrograde amnesia, option D language deficit. And the answer is option A. So now we submit the answer. The answer is submitted successfully. So if you want any course of assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, subscribe our channel so you get the answer in future. So goodbye, have a nice day.